Today we want to talk about angle, how to calculate the length of an arc, an angle that is suspense. If you are new in this channel, try to subscribe and put on your notification on. Anytime I'm releasing video, you're able to see. So we were able to discuss in previous video the length of an arc, but in this video we want to calculate the angle does an arc suspense. So let's able to see this question. It said, what angle does an arc 6.6 centimeter in length subtend at the center of a circle of radius 14 centimeter? So let's draw a little this circle. We were given the radius 14 centimeter, and we also given the arc. Let's try to represent it by 0. Let arc represent AB. This is the arc. We'll be given the value of the arc to be 6.6 centimeter. So this is the length of the arc. But the question here is, what angle does the arc subtend? So this is the angle. Now, in now finding the value of the angle, let's try to write out the formula for the length of an arc. The length of an arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And we will be given the length of an arc to give us is 6.6 centimeter is equal to, what is the value of theta? We don't know it, which is theta over 360 times 2. We were given the pi to be 22 over 7 times r, and our radius is 14 centimeter. So in view of the centimeter can cancel centimeter first. So let's try to, this can be over 1, which is equal to theta times 2 times 22 times 14 divided by 360 times 7. Let's cross multiply. We have theta times 2 times 22 times 14 is equal to 6.6 times 360 times 7. So let's divide all through by this. We have theta times 2 times 22 times 14 divided by 2 times 22 times 14 is equal to 6.6 times 360 times 7 divided by 2 times 22 times 14. So all this will cancel this. So the value of our theta will now give us. So let's apply calculator at this junction to have 6.6 times 360 times 7 give us, the value give us 16,632 divided by 2 times 22 times 14. It gives us 616. So let's try to find the answer, the value for the answer, which is theta is equal to 16,632 divided by 616. So let's see what it gives us. So we have 16,632 divided by 616. So it gives us 27 degrees. So meaning that the angle that this circle suspends is, the angle is 27 degree. So it is 27 degree that produce 6.6 centimeter with the radius of 14 centimeters. So thanks for watching this video. Try to put on your notification on, so anytime I'm releasing a video, you're able to see. So thanks for watching. You are all blessed.